Callie. Hi, Callie. At 8:35. Let's see what you think of Tom. I think you'll be fine. You're a little chunky monkey too, aren't you? Hello. She's sweet. Do you see Tom? Say my kitty. Say the kitty, Tom. What do you think of her? You smell like poop, Tommy. Tom's like, man, you woke me from a nap. I have to go to that shelter. Really, I didn't feel it. She's not even paying attention. So if you can hold her just short, I'm gonna let him out. Come on, Tom. You wanna come out and say hi to this little doggy? Tom. Tom. Yeah, he's coming out. You can let her go. She's obviously not interested. Tom is walking up to, yeah, he smells like poop. I know. Tom is lazy today. No, let's not go in there, honey. Come on. Callie, say hi to Tom. She couldn't care less about the cat. That's good. Good girl. She's sweet. Is she older? Six? Well, that's why she's seen it all. Tom, what is wrong with you, man? It's not that hot. We're just not even in summer yet, man. Come on. Well, it is 90-some degrees outside. It's crazy. Come on, girl. Yeah, you have to stick your face in it. Tom, can you get up and say hi to this dog? She doesn't even want to come near. Come on, Tom. Wakey, wakey. Hi. He sit. Good, sit. You shake? Shake? Paw. Oh, good shake. Good girl. Oh, so gentle. Oh, she is a darling.
I want the
Yeah. Go say hi to my Tommy. Step on him. Cat is lazy, has to move. There you go. You have the cookies. I couldn't care less about the kitty. He said he smells like poop. Yeah, he pooped in his kennel. He was a little stinker today. There's nothing poor about him. Trust me. Oh, honey, you found where my cookies are? Right there? Is that what you want? Can you sit again? Sit. Sit. Shake. Paw. Paw. Oh, good girl. You know down? 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 Oh, she knows down. Oh, very good. Tom knows down too. Look at that.
He's perfect.
She is awesome.
She's so great.
She's great. Come on, say hi to. She's like, no, not really. She said, I want this lady. She's got the cookies. Yeah, go find Tommy.
Yeah.
Come on, she's good. Yeah. Stinky poopy smell. Tom is not feeling it. He said, I want to go home. Don't be sorry. He's been lazy. He can do something. Good girl. It's all loose leash. Oh, Tom likes you. You got the seal of approval from Tom. Yeah, but I need to wipe your butt, Tom. Seriously, I don't have any napkins or nothing. Is there a rag in here? She's darling. She's nice and calm. That energy, I like her energy. Tom's like, yeah, whatever. Can't make anything better out of this. This is great. Yeah.